Today's video we will see, does the Frigidaire stackable washer dryer have a reset button, location and full guide? No, the Frigidaire stackable washer dryer, the laundry center, does not have a dedicated physical reset button. The method 1 for power reset works for most models. So this is the easiest way and most effective reset method. First, turn the washer off, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait 1 to 5 minutes to allow the controller board to discharge and plug the unit back in. Now turn it on and start a new wash or dry cycle. Method 2. Cancel the current cycle. So press and hold the cycle selector or start pause button for about 10 seconds. Now until the current cycle cancel, you can select a new cycle and press start and pause to begin. Method 3. Reset by turning the cycle knob. Front load model. So some front load Frigidaire model use the cycle knob as a reset. Turn the cycle selector to the 12 o'clock and reset position and choose a new wash cycle. Now press start and pause, and now note, if necessary you can also press power to turn the unit off. Then back on before selecting a new cycle. Goodbye and thanks for watching.